I've been kneeling here for the past 30 minutes now. My knees are paining me. Abian also means don't come close. Don't come close to me.
Calm down. Yeah? You've been kneeling down here for long. Why did brother ask you to kneel down under this son?
Me, I don't want to say anything. Like, I don't want to talk again before I put myself into more troubles. Please, just leave me alone now. Leave me alone.
You don't want to talk. I don't understand. What is the problem?
Oga, go now. What is your problem? Go now. Go. Go, leave me alone. Easy now. We should go. Hey.
What is going on there?
Nothing, sir. I was only asking her why she is kneeling down under this son.
I feel I wasn't talking to you. Would you?
Sir?
What were you two discussing?
Sir, nothing. Did you hear my voice when you came here? I wasn't saying anything. I was not saying anything.
And why are you using your dress to support your nails? I thought you remove that cloth.
Oh.
Peter,
sir.
What are you doing here?
Nothing, sir. I only came to ask her why she's kneeling down under this harsh sun.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You know, I'm yet to discover what you are doing in this house. Now you are beginning to poke nose into matters that does not concern you.
I know, sir.
Will you shut up? Do you realize I'm the man of this house? Kneel down! I said you should kneel down.
Sir, I'm your in-law.
You are my in-law.
You can...
I'm talking to you. Come here!
Sir, it's your in-law.
Shut up! And you?
Sir?
Are you ready to tell me the truth?
Sir, I am... Yes, I'm ready to say the truth.
Allow that talk. Okay. Tell me the truth.
I'm ready to say the truth, but sir, please just forgive me. I will not do it like this again. I was the one that told Peter here that Madam bought a new car with her money.
And not just that, you also told Peter that Madam has been the one feeding the house.
Hey, I'm not sure I said that one. No, no sir, yes, I remember now. I said it. I said it, but please forgive me. I will not say such a thing again. I swear it's my life. I will not fuck up again.
Would you?
Sir.
That I should forgive you.
Yes, sir, forgive me.
And for you, Peter.
Sir.
You lied to me. You see your life? Hands up!
Sir,
stupid boy. Who is your in-law? I'll deal with the both. You see, I'm beginning to suspect the both of you in this house. Both of you remain here, come rain, come sun. Stupid people.
It's not good though.
Don't tell me you're sorry. In fact, go 20 miles away from me. You're sorry. Sorry, I have to walk back. You're sorry. Hey, sir, sorry, sir.
And why is the mouth still moving?
Nothing, sir, sorry.
Eh? Why is your mouth still moving?
Sorry, sir.
If I hear pim from inside. Stupid.
What are you going to say about that?
Why are you asking? You will not respect yourself in this house. You will not respect yourself in this house.
It's not taking time to come back.
Peter!
Mama, you mean Daniel's mother came to our house?
You need to see what this woman vomited this morning in my house. Hey, my son.
Mama, what is that woman's problem? What is Daniel's mother? What is her problem? Eh?
I don't know. But what I want to ask you is, Peter, please, what is happening in that house? Tell me what is going on in that house. That is all I want to know now.
Mama, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Everybody is okay.
You mean it?
Nothing is happening, Mama. We are fine.
But wait. Is Philo, my daughter, fighting with her husband? Answer me!
My sister and her husband, they are at peace. Nothing is happening, Mama. We are fine. Yes, Mama, everybody is okay. Yes, Mama. My sister, she promised to give me the money I begged her of. So when she comes back from work today, she'll give me the money.
Okay. Because the husband mother said that Philo did not allow her husband to do anything or to take care of them. Let me know how Philo will not allow the husband to take care of them. That is why I'm asking you. Tell me the truth. I need to know every bit of the truth. Everything that is happening in that house so that I'll be capable to wait. This insult is too much. Hey! I just keep quiet. I kept quiet because I don't know what to say. I don't know what to answer her.
Mama, everybody's okay. There's no problem, Mama.
Okay. I've heard you, Peter. I've heard you, my son.
Okay, now, Mama, I'll call you later.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Mama. Bye.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Hey! Hey, what time you going to be? Why you bem? Why you bem? Makanana no diwa. Okay. Okay. Hey!
I heard it. So tell me, who is Daniel's mother?
Sorry, sir. It's not your own Daniel. It's one Daniel in my village.
Who are you talking to over the phone?
My friend.
Your friend?
Yes, sir.
And why did you suddenly end the call the moment I walked in?
Because we are done talking. We are done talking, sir.
Peter.
Sir.
Peter.
Sir.
I don't like you in this house. And when my wife comes back, she will tell me what you're doing in my house.
Your in-law can never feel free in your house again. The only in-law you have came visiting and you're just tormenting him. Kneel down, hands up, slap him, beat him. I can't even continue to stay in this house. If my sister just come back, I'll tell her, I will leave this house. Come what may, I will leave here tomorrow. Can't stay here again. The trouble is too much. One of the house beat you, stand up. Mama, you put me in trouble.
Meet Dan. Dan.
Nice to meet you.
What did they do this one? Why are you from?
Nothing, no.
Would they go my house? I say make us so that you follow us.
Of course.
He is so handsome. How I wish he is mine. Why is Philo always locking everything?
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm very fine. Let's go.
That's how she behaves. She's coming now. Coming all shy. I wanted to meet you first before with my face.
I know.
Because I knew you would say let's go, let's go. Where did they go?
I have not ceased to admire him from that day. I made several attempts to win him over, but Philo would not let him go until he eventually married her. Then Philo goes about boasting that she got married before me. I promised myself that I was going to frustrate her, and that I will do.
What name did I use to save this? That's her maid, oh, the number. What name did I use to save the number? Ghost maid. Let me see. Oh, ghost maid. What name did I use to save the number again? Maid. Ugo.
Yes, hello? Who is this, please?
Am I speaking with Uju in Daniel's house?
Yes, who are you?
I am your madam's friend. I have been calling her, but her number is not connecting. Please send me the direction to the house. I need to see her.
I should send our address.
Yes.
But I don't know you.
Don't worry. When I come, you will know me.
Oh, really? Okay, no problem. I'll send it now.
Yes, send it to my phone now. My battery will soon go out.
Okay. Who's this person? Let me send the address so the person says if she comes or not. Okay, number 2.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Madam's car is not here. Did she tell you where she was going?
No, she did not tell me where she did go. She just...
So, what time did she leave?
She come out since morning, no. The moment when you just drive, come out. She follow, come out. I think I convoy that they do. Come.
Convoy.
Yes, sir.
Get out. Idiot.
Okay, maybe here. Other people are lucky to have an in-law. I just have a wicked and mean in-law. The very mean one. It's not your money. You are claiming man of the house. Can't even allow my sister to give me money. Very wicked person. Go to work. You don't even work. Always sleeping in the house.
Peter.
Mama.
Hey, how is Philo, my daughter, and her family?
Mama, don't ask me about those people. Don't
What
even
happened?
ask me about them. Mama, my sister's husband is very wicked. Mama, the very first day I arrived, my sister's husband asked me to kneel down under the hot sun. All because the maid told me that my sister is doing so well in her taxi business. That Sister Philomena is a prosperous taxi driver in the city. She makes a lot of money. Huge amount of money she's making for the taxi business.
Wait, yo. Philomena, my daughter. Taxi driver.
Mama, a prosperous taxi driver in the city. Mama, Sister Philomena bought another new car to add to her old one.
Philo bought a new car.
Chara. Ah. Chara.
What about the mission?
Mama, you asked me about the mission. Mission impossible.
Eh?
Mama, an abortive mission. Mama, out of the 30,000 naira I asked of my sister to support me to start something, Mama, sister could only give me 5,000 naira for transportation. Just 5,000. All because the husband was busy prognosing. Anytime they were busy discussing the conversation about how to help me, the husband would just come. Man of the house. My sister would just keep silent and ask me to go. That we'll discuss later. Till today.
Are you trying to tell me that Philo did not give you anything, including me, her mother?
You're asking about your own. Mom, I'm telling you that Sister Philomena gave me just 5,000 for transportation. She did not add any other thing. Not in Kobo. She didn't add.
But why? Why will Philomena refuse to help her only brother? The only brother she has. And she bought a new car. Chara. Yank leather the name
with Napoleon. Nylon, everything.
That means that they are doing perfectly. When I mean perfect, they are doing perfectly well in the city.
Mama, sister make a lot of money. or for her husband to squander the cash. Mama, that man eats 5 square meals a day. 5 different types of food.
And his mother is bragging in this village, doing guy, talking all manner of rubbish against me and my daughter. Okay, Uge na mbabu. Peter, Ugo, eberugo na mbabu.
Mama, if I'm to say, I think sister is scared of the husband. I think she's afraid of that man. Huh?
That means Philomena, my daughter, is the breadwinner of the family. Mama,
Mama, all the money my sister makes is just for the man. Mama, he doesn't work. All he do is just to sleep. Morning, afternoon, and night, he wake up, give me food. After eating, he will start bragging. Man of the house. Man of the house.
Hey!
He'll come out. Shut
that
up.
Means that my daughter is slaving for Daniel.
I should have gone home before now. I really have to hurry up. I don't want my husband to get home before me. You are telling me I've been since morning. Well, I am sure he's not yet back. My phone will be ringing by now.
That was wow! You pain me. I know you say they come. I for prepare wait for you. What's your go for you now?
You don't have to worry. You know why I'm actually here.
Yes, I know. But you need go vex. Never complete. I beg, no vex.
Philo, this is not our agreement. I decided to help you not just because we are friends, but because of what you did for me in the past.
Don't make me shame. I beg. Hi, no vex. I will complete them. I beg.
When? I need the money.
Next week.
Who is driving the car?
My husband.
Oh, your husband?
Yes. I beg, next week. You will not have to ask me 2 times by next week. I will arrange everything.
So this useless and mannerless imp is your husband?
Yes.
You! What have you come to do here?
Shut up! Chop! Call him out!
You know, who is this woman?
What did happen?
Who is she to you?
Look at this good for nothing low life!
No, my husband, that.
Well, Philo, I am sorry to say this, but I need my money by next week. Else, I'll take the car back from you. Remember, I have the original papers. Good for nothing idiots. Nonsense. Motherless imp!
Philo, who be this woman? Philo, who is this woman? Who is she? What is she doing here?
What did you do? What happened?
Well, if you care to know, that's the same woman that locked me up at the police cell. She's the one, no? You have allowed me to slap her!
For slap her? Now the same woman will connect me to the auction company will sell this motor for me for very cheap price. Now she be that. Slap her.
Yeah. Now she be that.
Rosa!
Philo! Wait, are you going to apologize to her?
I thank God for that call I made. It will make my journey easier. Mama! Mama, where are you? I'm running late.
Huh? Running late? Where are you going to?
You said I should go to the city and look for a man to marry me. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, you're going to the city now?
Yes, now.
To look for a man that will marry you?
Exactly.
I wish you good luck.
Amen. Banu. Agade.
Bye-bye.
Wish me well.
Oh, she has gone. Hey, she's going to the city to look for a man that will marry her. Just like that. Odemma, let me see how she will do that. Hey.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come back. Where have you been since morning? And where are you coming from?
That useless gate man must have told him I left since morning.
Am I not talking to a human being?
I went to see my parents.
Lie. You are lying. I just spoke with your mom and she never told me you were with her.
Honey, must she tell you everything? Must she? Yes. Honey, please, I'm very tired. I drove a long way. I want to go and rest now, please.
Come back here. I'm not done with you yet.
What else do you want me to say to you? What do you want to know now?
The truth.
What truth?
The truth, because you are lying. When I spoke with your mom, she told me that she has not seen you for a long while. So what lies are you telling me here?
Honey, the truth is, I asked my mom to say that to you. Just to pull your legs.
To pull my legs?
Yes, now play now. Small you don't invest. Go to power, now play.
You asked your mom to lie to me.
Honey, please, I need to rest. Please. Excuse me.
Ella! It's alright.
So this man actually called my mom. He called my mom. I want to understand something. You won't just keep me here as your maid, your servant, your cook. I wash your clothes, I cook for you, I serve you in bed. Is that what you want? No, of course not. That can never happen. It's not possible. I'm not your slave. Okay, let me call my mother, obviously, and then begin to explain. Right.
There is a saying that many days are for the thief, but one day is for the owner of the house.
What kind of a speech is that?
You will know when the time comes. But you can be rest assured that you will not be this smart next time.
I do not know what you are talking about, obviously.
You don't know what I'm talking about. It's alright. Get me my lunch, won't you?
There is no lunch.
What did you just say? That there is no lunch?
Yes. There is no lunch. As you can see, I'm just coming in.
So you're saying you didn't prepare any food in this house today? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir. I did not make any food today, sir. If you're hungry, kindly walk to a fast food and get yourself something to eat.
Fast food?
Oh, no, seriously. You want to just keep me here as your slave? I cook for you, I wash your clothes, I serve you, even in bed. Is that what you want? I am not your slave. Obviously, I'm not your slave.
Really?
Yes, really. If you don't mind, please excuse me.
Did she just say that? A woman I married with my money telling me that I should go to the fast food to feed myself.
Dan, apologize to Rose. Rose, na very good friend. This connection want to take buy this motor over cheap for auction and she give me. I no want offend them.
Was it not auction sale?
Now you bring the connection.
See, connection can come from anybody.
Okay. Apologize to her.
You want me to apologize to her?
Yes.
After locking me up at the police cell, I will not do that.
Now you first insult her.
She insulted me first. I'm the man of the house. I'm your husband. Ask her to come and apologize to me.
See how this English way they speak? Not be enough to speak am. And because English they give me headache, that make me stick to the one way me I know. At least you know say I sabi speak English, I be fire down. I beg, I no want quarrel. You go apologize to Rose because I no want lose her friendship. I no want make them come collect that car from my hand.
Oh, now because of car, you asked me to go and apologize to Rose. Car of 300,000. I no blame you.
See baby, see mouth. Ordinary car of 300,000. Do you have 300,000? You get account? The only thing where you get as you stand there so, na man of the house.
You are insulting me.
And the only thing where you get now, as you stand there so.
You are insulting me. Wait, to apologize now by force?
Yes, now by force. You beg her.
Yeah.
Where you go? Where you go? Me when I drop English, this is not make me vex so. I say you go apologize to her.
Are you blocking my way? Hey. Neighbors! Hey.
Come
Hello?
apologize to her.
Move.
Move go where?
Come on for road now.
I beg, stand, make you apologize to her.
Hey, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon, ma.
Please, I'm looking for number 32 Franklin Street. It's very, very confusing. The way they number these houses are very confusing.
Okay, yeah. Just go down this road.
Okay.
5 rows. Okay. Then the first turn by your right.
Wait. let me explain it.
Yeah.
I'll count 5 poles now. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. Then I take my right.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Then
much.
the second gate.
The second gate.
That is the
Okay. Thank you very much. Sorry for the
welcome.
stress, eh?
No problem.
I never forget to Junior, you had to wait. Here is the bag of rice you have to see. I was waiting for the rice, please. See you. I love this. Or last week when I go work, I see you the sweep. As I enter from my room, I come outside here, I see you the sweep. As I first look, na hippopotamus I see. I say, why you fat like this? At the bag of rice empty now. Question don't answer. And the first, bring the plate. No answer anything they read anywhere. For market to work, for TV, I forgot with this. You hear me now? Yeah. Must not fool until you get obigo. I forgot with this. Can we be that? Man of the house. You Junior no fit fuck up finish. No be your father house with this. You and Junior. In case any visitor we no get respect, we don't know the right thing to do. We come visit us, not also they come. As sit down finish, we say, only the cash room. Na your own beliefs. Price don't cost. Money no dey anywhere. Everywhere kaka, everywhere strong. You hear me so?
Yes, sir.
So man, yeah, you can't like that.
At least by this time last year, in the morning, 5:30, you will hear, Kukuruku! Even fowl will help you wake you up in the morning. Come here. As be now, I mean, they wake up myself for work. Fowl self want me again or something before you go, Kukuruku, may wake up in the morning. That's what I mean now. If I don't follow you argue, then you don't get problem. As you don't fat, what you don't do. Cook like that. It is a crazy rich. And you say you want art for here, go there. Me understand, say me, I be Fulani. I don't wear. You understand me? I should be like this now. You can't keep on like that. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm going to catch you, go to your father's house. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You hear me? I don't follow you, I beg. If you go fridge now, you see 3 tomatoes, I don't put on there. 3 tomatoes, 1 tomato paste. Now I take with the jollof rice. Pala fish, there, 1 full pala fish. Titus fish, I come out the head. 1 full pala fish, 1 Titus fish head. Now you take with the rice. You understand me now? Tomorrow, you use full Titus fish body, 1 pala head. You think I put you on cook tomorrow? You understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go?
The tomato might not be enough. I made the food sweet though. That tomato.
The one where you catch you go to your village. 1 pala fish, 1 Titus fish head. If you like me do your mouth like whistle. No waste anything there, oh. No waste anything there, oh. Would you?
Ma?
Oh no.
Ma?
Okay, give me water. Okay, give me water, don't drive. Just hot. Bring the water now. People are not going to reach. Bring water for bucket. Hey, okay. Not reach to pour here.
Pina! What are you doing here?
Let me go ask Sweetie to do here.
What are you doing here?
Let me go ask Sweetie to do here.
My dear, I'm looking for accommodation. I said I should come and make inquiries here. And you are here.
You buy accommodation?
Yes, so.
Yeah. And my house with this.
Now your house with this.
How
you doing? I'm fine. Hey, now your car with this.
I say, see her here. I tell you that time when we come. I say, English wala plenty. They give me a headache.
No vex.
I see you want to know. You don't join me now.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Come here.
My friend.
My sister.
So no house like this one?
Don't take this one. The last week they take this one.
It's a no house.
No. Don't take the 2. What you cannot do?
Where's what I'm
The feeling no get got it.
That's how I'm stranded now. Baby, my girl.
Mama, good day.
Good afternoon. I am here to see you.
Alright, Mama, let's go inside and sit down.
Thank you. I don't need seat. I want to ask you, when last did you speak with Daniel?
Mama, you know I lost my contact. For a long time now, I've not spoken with him. Mama, I hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. My son's wife has vowed that my son will never take care of me.
Mama, you mean Philomena?
Philomena.
Oh, Akoko.
My son has been rejecting my calls.
Mama,
if I call him, he will not take my calls. The phone will ring. Daniel will not take my call. Because of, I want you to do me a favor. I will give you Daniel's phone number.
Okay.
Call him and find out where he lives at the city.
Right. Let me bring my phone.
I am waiting.
Hey! I am here at last. Now I have to convince Philo to allow me stay here while I search for accommodation. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Gabriel. Good afternoon.
Ugo, what are you doing here?
She's looking for accommodation.
Yes, I came here to make inquiry. I didn't even know that you stay here.
My sister, make you manage this one.
Thank you. Honestly, I am lucky today. Yesterday I was stranded. At last I had to go pay for a hotel.
You know me now?
Yes, now. And I didn't even know that hotels here are very expensive. Do you know I paid 15,000 naira to stay here?
No lie.
I'm telling you.
Ha. You can't mind though. You know if you try am.
How?
Ha? You just go motopa. Gather carton. Sleep on top.
Carton!
15,000.
Thank you. That's why I brought my dad. I said if there's a way you can help me. Thank you. Hello! I miss you! Now good, Hey!
Welcome.
Philo! Cheers! Wait.
Something is wrong somewhere. Ugo is really on a mission. And something in me tells me that she lied about the accommodation issue. I know what to do. Chikube? Hello? Chikube. Man, you know I'm a busy man. I'm up and doing. How are you? My mother.
Hey, Daniel. What have I done to you? Why did you abandon your mother to die of hunger? Why?
Mama, who said that I abandoned you?
You did. You abandoned me because of Philomena.
Mama, that is not true.
Then if it is not true, why have you not been taking my calls? If I call you, your phone will ring. Oh, you will switch off. You will not take my calls. It will never be well with Philomena. Since she has vowed that I will not reap the fruit of my labor, she too will not enjoy in that marriage. She will never have peace. Hey!
Mama, stop saying that. My wife did not do anything. Please, I'll call you back.
Call me when? Hello? Hello? Oh, Daniel.
Mama, you terminated the call.
I said it. Call him back.
Mama, his phone is switched on.
Oh man, I said it. Oh!
Still off.
Hey! Oh, Daniel, why are you doing this to me? Philomena, what you are doing to me, your own children will do it to you. I'm hungry now.
I will talk to you, okay?
And man, I fed you with this to breast. I carried you for 9 months. I know how I suffered in the labor room.
Mama, I will call him later. I will talk to him, please. Okay? I will talk to you. I will call him later. Okay?
You will call him?
Yes, ma'am. I will talk to him.
If you call him, Chekube, try and find out where he lives. In the city.
Okay.
I must go there.
Alright, I will bring the address to you, Mama.
Okay.
I promise you that.
You promise me?
Yes.
You will come to the house?
Yes, I will come to the house.
Okay. You say you will call him?
Yes, ma'am.
I am hungry,
Mama,
because...
I will get back to you, okay?
Oh.
Why is Daniel acting like this? I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Baby, no now. To see tomorrow again? No, it's not possible, my darling. See, let's leave it for next week, okay? My husband is getting suspicious of me already. He's getting suspicious. Hey, now stop saying that, my love. I am not avoiding you. I'm not. I don't want him to get to know about you. Okay? Hey, baby, can you... Hey, babe. Okay. How? No, okay, don't worry. I'll just call you back. Let me talk to him. Yes, I'll call you back. Okay, dear. Alright, it's fine.
Honey, who were you discussing with on phone?
My friend Joy. Yes, my friend Joy. Yes, she wants to come visit us. But I told her to hold on, let me talk to my husband first and get your permission.
You want to get my permission?
Yes, baby.
For your friend to visit? Hasn't she been visiting without my permission?
Baby, listen. She wants to come and stay here for a week.
She wants to stay with us for 1 week?
Yes.
Why? Doesn't she have her own home?
Baby, you see? That was why I told her to hold on. Let me talk to my husband first. That you have to give your permission. Because you are the head of this house. Seriously. Yes.
Okay. Pick your coffee.
Baby, it's George. She's calling me again. I'll call her back.
Pick it now.
Don't worry, I'll just call her back. She should let me talk to my husband first. We are still talking. Yes.
Okay.
Why is he calling back? I told him I will call him now. What of him? What's happened?
I thought you said the girl was looking for an accommodation.
That's what she talk. She did find her well.
What then is she still doing here?
I don't understand.
I mean, this is night and she's still here. Why?
Dan, my very good friend. She said I should find an accommodation. I beg. But that she could fit stay here until she gets the place.
Did you seek for my opinion before you took that decision?
No vex. I supposed to tell you before I agree.
I am not happy. I mean, this is our house. We can't just accept strangers like that.
Yeah. Forget that too. You're my very close friend. She not be stranger. She not get wild.
It's okay.
Vex. No vex. Sweetie vex. No vex. I'm supposed to tell you. I don't do anything but she asked me now, I said, no wild. No vex.
It's okay.
So,
I told Philo that I will have to stay here until I find an accommodation. But by the time I am done with her, she wouldn't know what will hit her. So smart. Yeah?
Please, why are you here?
Come on, my love. Your wife is my friend. So I have every right to be here.
How did you locate this place?
I thought your wife already explained that to you.
My wife only explained to me the lies you told her. You and I know that you're not here for any accommodation issue.
So tell me, why do you think I'm here? Yeah? Who is there?
You go. I'm you. Don't sleep.
No! Do you want to see me?
Yes, I want to make it up.
Do not open the door. I don't want her to know I'm here. Don't open the door.
Okay, I'm coming.
What are you trying to do?
I'm coming!
Good morning.
What are you preparing for breakfast?
Breakfast.
Come here. I said, what are you preparing for breakfast?
Breakfast.
No, brunch.
Well, my madam, she has to tell me what to prepare before I prepare anything.
Okay. You people have yam?
Yes, we have yam.
Very good. That's my favorite. Boil yam. Then with egg, make egg sauce. How I like my egg. Continental. You know, you have to put all the carrots, green pea, all those things, so that it will have this fancy look, okay? Yeah. That's how I like my egg. So that's what I want to eat this morning.
Okay, that's very good though. But I still need my madam's approval before I'll prepare anything in this house, yes.
Maybe I'm speaking Spanish. I heard that you are very stubborn in this house. But I'm going to bend you. I said I want yam and egg sauce made in a continental way.
Okay. Yes, I heard you. Yeah, I'm not deaf, but I still need my madam.
What? Are you mad? You can't panic at biscuits now. Are you crazy? Now get inside and go and make me yam and egg sauce right now. Run along.
Okay.
Onyala. You are mad! You are crazy! That is idiot! I'm going to bend you in this house. I don't know where you are coming from. Idiot. Let's not be peppery,
her presence brings up disaster. She's a wolf in the coat of sheep. She's ready to devour. She's the enemy. A green snake.
Mama, don't tell me you were serious about going to the city.
Oh, you thought I was joking? Well, as you can see, I was not.
That means I'll go with you because I can't allow you to go there alone.
Do not worry yourself. Stay back and take care of the house.
I want to go with you.
I can go alone. I will call you as soon as I get there.
Mama, I don't like this. How do you expect me to stay in this house alone? I don't even know when you're coming back.
I am coming back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow.
Are you sure you'll come back
tomorrow?
Yes.
I will, my daughter. So you stay back, take care of the house. Don't leave the house, oh.
Are you sure you'll come back tomorrow?
I will, my daughter. I will.
Please take care of yourself.
I will.
Okay.
What are you doing here? Get out.
Calm down, I want us to talk.
We have nothing to talk about.
Can you just calm down and stop acting like a coward? You're a man.
You are mad. I have told you I don't need you here.
Do you realize that I'm having your child? I am carrying your child.
I am not responsible for that pregnancy.
Okay, can we just sort things out instead of shouting?
We have nothing to sort out. Get out!
Well, I hope you know that if I tell your wife, in fact, this is how I'm going to say it. Philo, your best friend Ugo is pregnant for your husband. How about that?
You don't dare try me. Because if you try me, I'll kill you.
I'm scared. You think you can threaten me? Well, this is the result of the test in case you are doubting. Dan, try me! Try me if I don't tell her everything. Just try me. You will see the colors that I am made of.
Hey.
Hey.
Mama. Hey. You are here enjoying my son's wealth, driving his car. See the way you balance, Gidigba, like bag of fufu. See the way you balance driving the car. Eh?
Mama.
Shut up.
Mama.
Shut up. Shut up.
Mama.
I said shut up. And I will drop if you talk pain. Yes. I can slap you again and again whenever you misbehave. So Philomena, I have come to warn you to leave my son alone. Leave him alone for me. His responsibility is to take care of me and his sister, not you.
Ma.